today's project, I'm building a desk for Blake's room. She's really into crafts at the moment. My task is to make one that's gonna fit her space perfectly. Measure your space and decide on the overall dimensions of the desktop, the height and the size of the storage compartments underneath. I've sketched up a design. First step is to cut out all the pieces and then I'm gonna drill and screw them together.
To avoid splitting the MDF, Caleb pre-drilled all the screw holes.
I cut the MDF into the desktop, sides and base. Then I cut the pine legs to the right length and made cutouts in the desk base so the sides could be attached to the legs securely. I added dividers under the desktop to create storage compartments. They're great for organising supplies and add extra strength to the desk.
Once the desk was assembled, we filled all the exposed screw holes, sanded the fillers and edges, and got it ready for painting. You do not want dust in your paint or any sort of dirt. It will completely compromise your paint job. Now we are priming the table with Resene Quick Dry Primer.
And finish with 2 coats of Resene Cashmere and Resene Lustacryl. Because the desk is 1200mm wide, we split the desktop into 2 sections. This makes it easier to lift for little arms and means one side can be used for crafting while still accessing the storage on the other.
And that's it, a practical, stylish craft desk with plenty of storage that's perfect for little creatives.